Hi travel mates! Excited na po kayong mag-board sa Adora Cruise? Bali, ganito po ang embarkation process, no? Kung meron po kayong malaking maleta or for check-in baggage, ilalagay nyo lang po yung inyong luggage tag. Kasama ng cruise ticket po ito. And then, i-stapler nyo lang po yan. Ipapasok po natin yan dito sa check-in. And then, makikita nyo na lang yung luggage nyo na yan sa labas po ng inyong cabin. Okay? So, ang kailangan lang po natin during the embarkation process ay ang ating passport and ang ating cruise ticket, syempre. And then, yung luggage tag natin. Okay? So, ngayon, check-in ko na ito at again, makikita ito sa labas na ng cabin. And ayun pala guys, no, travel mates, kung may mga personal belongings kayo like mga ganito, huwag nyo nang isama sa pag-check-in. Pwede nyo dalhin to directly na sa loob ng cruise ship. Okay? So, pagpasok doon, dire-diretso, pwede na agad kumain sa buffet or kung saan man na available na restaurant. Pasok na tayo sa departure hall. And dito naman, ang second step, ipapakita lang natin yung ating cruise ticket for verification. And ayan, bigyan ka na ng stick. Dito naman tayo sa check-in counter para i-check yung ating cruise ticket. And then, pasok na tayo sa... Isa na tayo sa immigration. After ng immigration, pasok na tayo sa cruise. Guys, so ito na, finally, for boarding na sa Adora Mediterranean Cruise Ship. So, andito na tayo sa loob ng Adora Mediterranean. May band playing po right now. And then, pupunta na po tayo sa ating cabin.
Walk down stairway and always be to the right side.
Welcome to our cabin. Ayan, may balcony.
The goods. So dear guests, on behalf of our captain and the senior officers, dito, hair dryer, cabinet, then may rep, kettle, may water, may safe, safety deposit box, may phone. So you can call the front desk, you can call other room, other cabins. So may family or friends kayo sa other cabins, you can call them by just dialing the cabin. Okay. Meron to ay cabinet. May slippers. Yan. May hangers. Cabinet. And then, let's proceed sa toilet. Ito ang toilet. Mayroon ditong hook. This is the shower area. Meron na dito all-in-one body soap, shampoo, conditioner. The shower. The shower also convertible to bidet. Nagawa natin bidet yan. Okay, so ito may towels, tissue, may toothbrush, may soap. So, yun. That's it. Very basic but kompleto naman. And makikita nyo rin sa bed nyo, pagpasok nyo, yung inyong key card. Okay, so ito na yung key card nyo. Access nyo yan. And then, nandito yung parang daily activities nyo. So ito yung parang calendar. Nandito yung from time to time na mga pwede nyong puntahan na activities o kainan na restaurants na available. Meron dyan, event, colorful promotion, highlight of the day. So ito lagi yung dala to. Okay? Pag pupunta kayo, nag-ikot kayo ng ship. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching.